Hello students, today we are going to study chapter 13 Volunteering of Moral Science. So first of all, let's understand the meaning of volunteering. Volunteering means to offer something or to do something for which you will not be paid. Now students, what will you do to help your mother if she is busy somewhere? You will volunteer to fix up a simple home cooked meal. You will let your mother make it anyhow, or you will order food from outside. Just think about this and take your response. Now let's start the story. There is a girl, Soha, who noticed that her mother, Mrs. Twinkle, was worried about something as she owned a chocolate factory and was facing some problem. Soha noticed a lower brood and countless expressions on her face as she was calling people and requesting them for some skilled labors. But Soha was unable to understand anything. She went and made some cup of coffee and asked her mother the reason of her tension. Mother smiled and told her that it's her business so she will handle it by herself. But Soha requested her mother and told that she is a grown up girl now as she is turning 13 this year. Mother looked at her and turned serious. In fact, she was looking quite ill when she told that she is finding it difficult to fulfill her commitments as two of her experienced helpers are down with dengue and she is not getting anyone to make chocolates. She has a huge order of 1,000 boxes and cancelling the order can spoil her name as the business world is so competitive. Soha inquired her mother that what were her skilled helpers used to do for her. Mother told Suha that we need to melt dark chocolate compounds and milk compounds and then pour them into molds. Then we need to add nuts, raisins, almonds, etc. to make different type of chocolates. She said that it's not difficult but always time consuming work. Suha went to her sister Asta's room and after a while they both sat in front of their mother. Then Asta told her mother to not to worry as she has two volunteers by her side. Then she said, Mom, you can do the technical job of melting the slabs in double boiler and we will pour it into molds. But just tell us how to add nuts and flavors to the melted chocolates. At this, mother replied happily, Let's get going. But then Soha tapped her mother's shoulder and asked, But how will we differentiate one flavor from another while packing? Mother told proudly, Good question. Now I am confident that my girls are ready to produce a business. And then she explained both of them that almond chocolates are made in oval shaped molds, raisin in star shaped, crunchy in round one, and plain in square shaped molds. So let's start, girls. Afterwards, Astha said that she is sure that if they will do the melting part and learn the packaging skill, then at least for pouring and packaging they can guide the unskilled laborers. Then everybody understood how to pour and wrap. Now everybody says that they will do it with them for a day or two. At this, mother's face started smiling happily, and the threesome went to the workshop for starting the work. It was so much fun and took them a couple of hours, but the work was organized in no time. The chocolate components were melted, and the girls realized that it was easy to pack them attractively. And when the new laborers arrived, Suha and Astha guided them how to pack. Astha, as the perfectionist, ensured hygiene, neatness in packing, and perfect stacking of ready packs, and Soha, as the manager, helped to motivate workers to work an extra hours. She looked into their comfort too and arranged snacks and tea for them. The workers felt looked after and well guided by such soft spoken and able young girls. And within 15 days, Mrs. Twinkle completed her order with her newly trained and motivated workforce. Her work and product were really appreciated, and she complimented the girls for volunteering to help her. So, moral of the story is volunteering can help us learn new skills and gain experience. Through volunteering, we can challenge ourselves to try something different and achieve personal goals. Thank you.